Connecting OptinMonster to GetResponse can seem like a bit of a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the steps of linking the two so you can start optimizing your email marketing in no time. Stick around because at the end, I'll also recommend some alternatives that might actually work better for your goals. First, let's talk about why you might want to connect OptinMonster to GetResponse. OptinMonster is fantastic for creating high-converting opt-in forms and pop-ups, while GetResponse handles your email marketing and automation. Combining both gives you a powerful lead generation system, but it does take a few steps to make the connection. The first thing you need to do is log into your OptinMonster account. Once you're in, head over to the campaign section and create or open an existing campaign. If you're creating a new one, pick the type of opt-in form you want to use, be it a lightbox, floating bar, or any other type of campaign that suits your needs. Once that's done, move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to integrate OptinMonster with GetResponse. For this, go to the Integrations tab within your campaign editor. OptinMonster supports a variety of integrations, including GetResponse, so it should be on the list. Click on GetResponse, and you'll be prompted to enter your GetResponse API key. If you don't know how to find this key, don't worry, I'll explain. To find your GetResponse API key, log into your GetResponse account and go to the Integrations section. From there, click on API and generate your key. Copy that key, head back to OptinMonster, and paste it in the required field. Now your accounts are linked. The next thing is to choose your GetResponse list. Once your OptinMonster campaign is connected to GetResponse, you can select which email list you want your leads to be added to. Make sure you select the right list based on the specific campaign or offer you're promoting. Now, let's talk about testing. Once the integration is complete, it's crucial to test that everything works as expected. OptinMonster allows you to preview the campaign before it's live, so use that feature to check if your leads are properly syncing to your GetResponse list. The fourth thing to keep in mind is performance tracking. Both platforms offer detailed analytics. OptinMonster shows conversion rates for your opt-in forms, and GetResponse provides email open rates and click-through rates. Combine the two to get a full picture of how your campaigns are performing. But now, here's the catch. While OptinMonster and GetResponse work well together, I think there are better alternatives out there, especially for businesses looking to scale. These alternatives offer more robust email marketing and automation features at better prices. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that I have an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you can get an extended free trial to GetResponse. But I also highly recommend checking out alternatives that might better suit your needs. These alternatives come with their own free trials and often offer more flexible features that could be more beneficial for your goals. So, check out the link, claim your exclusive benefits, and explore some better options that might take your email marketing to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.